Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Gemini Live something went wrong problem in Gemini. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Gemini application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data on Gemini application. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Gemini app. Update your Gemini application latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device. Again open your Gemini application. Go to Live.